the electric mobility in the premium segment is catching up slowly and steadily. There were Mercedes and Audi and Jaguar that were first this time around with the electric car, but BMW is here in the last but not the least, because this iX is a very special car. As you can see, it looks very radical, very different than any other BMW that has ever come till date. As you can see, this is the kidney grille, but it's not really a grille, it's just shy tech, what BMW likes to call. So there are some elements here just to make it look like a traditional BMW, and there are a lot of radar sensors here and here, and as you can see, there's a camera here as well. This BMW badge here is used for pop-up and filling up the washer fluid, as you can see. So this is really impressive. Just look at the front of the car. This effect here makes it look very premium, very futuristic. Look at these extremely sleek headlamps here. These are laser lights and they are going to be very powerful. We've seen that in flagship BMWs. It's going to be even more better. And just look at these 22-inch wheels. They are massive. They look really nice. They look very different, very futuristic, very good. And this is the spec that is coming to India first, and that is the 50i, and this is the 40i that is coming. Let's go at the back and see these very flush head tail lamps here, and they've got sort of housing here as well to make it look very special. And as you can see, the screen is very the windscreen at the back is little tapered in, so that it gets a very different, these haunches, the shoulder lines become much more apparent. The BMW badge here gets the camera integrated into it. Of course, since we're at the back, you can see the electric tailgate, and the boot, you've got those tail lamps here as well. This is a massive boot here. That is the kind of things you're getting here, and it's, as you can see, it's quite practical. This is the part where I show you the charging, and these are the two types of ports that you will be able to charge through, and AC and DC both for home charging. And as you can see, this is the wall box that BMW will provide. And just look at the car once again. Usually we see brushed aluminum. This looks like this is of course the copper finish that is going with the maroon color here, and the door handles are very neatly integrated. Look at this door design, look at these door pads. The leather is the usual leather, but the tanning has been done through a very naturalized effect of using olive leaves, so it retains the smell and the feel of the leather. There are no door handles, there is just a button to open the door. A very premium Harman Kardon system. As you can see, the speakers are integrated into the headrest, and that is the charging point, tablet mounting, AC vents, the usual thing. And as you can see, the floor is completely flat. Going at the front, this is the main cockpit, which is going to be very impressive. Look at these buttons over here. They are the jewel effect seen here. It's fantastic. And the door unlock button, as you can see on the outside, like in the inside as well, there's this copper finish. And look at that interior with that hexagonal steering wheel. It looks fantastic. And even better, look at this massive curved screen here. If you can have a better look from here, this is the future. We've seen it on our cars, Indian cars as well. We saw it first in the Mercedes, but BMW has got their own thing going on here, and it is clearly the superior version. That is the center armrest with the iDrive controller. This is the new ID8 operating system. It's fantastic to look, feel, touch, operate. It's just brilliant. Just let me show you. This is how it's locked, and when I press this button, the door opens, and a very slow motion opening. Center armrest, this cup holders here, charging point, and as you can see, low center tunnel because of the transmission. Everything is mounted very low, and as you can see, the button here opens the glove box, which is tiny. Got this leaf engraved inside here, and BMW is stressed very high enough that all the materials here are extremely environmental friendly, and it's all made of thermoplastic, which is recyclable. And this is the sunroof, and As you can see, with a touch of a button here, it changes into opaque and transparent, so you don't need the usual sun blind. And these seats, really nice, very big. And like I told you, I explained you about the leather. We wish we had more time with this car, but we could tell you more. But this is how it is, and we'll try and tell you as much as possible what we can experience right now with the car. And again, the interior looks fantastic. So let's discuss the powertrain right now. BMW says it has the 5th generation BMW eDrive technology on it, and it has 2 electric motors for front and rear axle both. It's a single speed transmission, and this 40i variant accelerates from 0 to 100 in just 6.1 seconds, which is pretty good. And it does have only 326 bhp of power, but the most important part is of course the torque, which is around 630 newton meters, which is equivalent to, let's say, a 6-cylinder BMW engine that we are used to. Obviously there is intelligent all-wheel drive, xDrive, that is on offer, and there are 4 driving modes, but the names are quite different than before. It's called Personal, Sport, or Efficient, and this will help you gain the maximum efficiency or the maximum sporty performance that you want from the iX. And BMW has also introduced a new entity called the BMW Iconic Sounds Electric, which creates driving sounds for you and the pedestrians on the outside to make things safe, because as we know, these cars are very silent. And like I said, it should be great fun to drive because it has 22-inch wheels, and these are a very different set of wheels on offer this time around, because they are air performance wheels, and that should help it obviously be more dynamic and more fun to drive. But we'll have to see how the ride quality is going to be like. Discussing more about the battery aspect is the fact that what we're getting here is a 76.6 kilowatt battery, which can provide a range up to 425 kilometers, and we're expecting a 350-370 in the real world, and that should be great and on par with its rivals. Let's talk about charging. What we have in India is a 50 watt kilowatt DC charger and a 11 kilowatt AC charger that is installed at your place by BMW, like other manufacturers, and that will give you a 100% charge in 70 kilometers, and the 100 kilometer range can be added only in 2.5 hours. The 50 kilowatt DC charger, what BMW is saying that it will be available at all dealerships, the 35 locations that they have, and all of them will have fast chargers, which will add 80% of the range in just 73 minutes, which is 1 hour 13 minutes, and that should be great. But if someday when the 150 kilowatt DC chargers come to India, BMW says you can get 80% of charge in 31 minutes. That's exactly half the time that what is currently our fastest. Meanwhile, Europe continues to have 150 and 200 and 250 kilowatt chargers, which charges the battery in just 10 to 15 minutes. So we're still pretty far away from that, and nevertheless, the 11 kilowatt charging in the premium space mounted to your office or your home should give you a 7 hour, complete the battery in 7 hours, and that's fantastic to have as well. And BMW is of course offering the Wallbox as a complimentary accessory, and like I said, fast charging from BMW will be available at their dealerships, and there are of course many other infrastructure points coming in where you will also get fast charging options to choose from. BMW is also giving you a customized ownership plan like ever before, like any other car. They're also giving you a buyback value of 54% in 3 years. Financing for the accessory also is available. This is being done to make sure that you get a wall box and you can finance that as well. Roadside portable charging is going to be on offer with roadside assistance, and now we know the price of this car. It is 1.16 crores, which is on par with the top of the line Audi e-tron, and it is slightly expensive. But then again, the interior, the exterior of this car, the tech that is on offer quite literally surpasses in the way it looks and feels and behaves, and definitely a lot of people are going to go with this option for sure. We would definitely recommend that, and we would do it if we could do it ourselves as well, because the iX is an extremely special vehicle. The way it's being made, the way it looks like, the way it will perform very likely like a true blue BMW in the way it rides, which BMW says they're really proud of, and the first impressions are of course out in the in the world markets, and that gives us hope. And for customers probably like you, would be very happy to know that the iX is something that you can look forward to. It will not disappoint. It is going to make your drive very special. Of course, we like to tell you more, but we need to experience the car, drive it, and tell you more about it. That's when we'll tell you more. But now we have the pricing, 1.16 crores to begin with. This is the 40i variant, and hopefully in the future we will get a 50 and 60 also, which are sold in world markets, but I think that will only happen when the infrastructure and the charging points will get better in India. And that is it from our end. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like it. Still have some questions, put them in the comment section below. Share this video, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.